How to turn on notification of stories from friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. And as you see, when your Snap is opening, you go up and click here on your profile. Then you go here and open this settings. Then go to notification and click. Then as you see, story from friends, it's not activate. I will activate it by turn on this option like that, and that's it. It's done with us. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.